The 2010 Ford Focus SES, powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 34 miles per gallon. This Ford features dual front airbags, power windows, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, air conditioning, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.